and today I'm sharing this little treat box. I think it's super cute because it's so small, but it is 3 inches by 2 inches by 1 inch wide. And look at that beautiful bow on it. Isn't that pretty? And I love this paper. This is the Santa's Workshop Designer Series paper. You probably saw this if you watched my Christmas in July projects. This is flocked paper. It's so cute. So this is the Designer Series paper here. All of this that you're seeing will be available September 5th, which is right around the corner, just a few more days. And the holiday catalog goes live. And here is my hostess code for September. If you'd like to place an order, I will put you in a drawing for the hostess dollars at the end of the month. So all of these are flocked, and there's 2 of each one. The only one that is not flocked, I believe, there's only one that I think that is not flocked. Yeah, that one's flocked, is this one right here. The rest of these all have flocking on it, but they're so cute. Both sides of these paper is just adorable. So this is the box I'm sharing today, or the bag, and so let's go ahead and get started with it. Alright, so I like the crumb cake with the Poppy Parade, so I'm using crumb cake. This is 6.5 by 4. You're going to need a piece of Whisper White to stamp the bow, and we're going to color it with the blends, and then another one to cut out the layering ovals. And the stamp set that I'm using, I'm actually using the bundle, which is the Bring on the Presents. So it's so cute. It's perfect for boxes and bags. And so are these framelits. So you get the framelit to cut out this bow, the tag. You can use these as like kind of like a washi. These do cut out like a ribbon. There's 2 different designs. So there's a lot you can do with bags and boxes with this set. I love it. It's really pretty. And I also love the sentiments on here. I love the writing on this, and look at it, it says North Pole Delivery. I know you're going to see a lot of this one, so all right, let's go ahead and just get started, and we'll do the bow first because we're going to go ahead and color it with the blends. Always use the Tuxedo black Memento ink when you're using blends. I always have to remind everyone to do that. We're going to just do simple coloring on this. Isn't that bow pretty? So I'm just using the light and dark Poppy Parade. And I'm going to just go ahead and color inside the bow, the darker, because it is darker when your ribbon is folded. So just those areas I'm going to color dark, and then we're going to outline the rest. And then we're going to use the light. If you haven't tried the blends yet, you need to try these. You will absolutely love them. They are super pretty, and they color beautifully, and they blend really nicely. So I'm not going to do the whole bow. I'm going to try to do a little bit at a time because I want to be able to blend my light here. And if you let it dry too long, it's going to be harder to blend the areas. Just go over where you outlined it. And I usually try to use a circular motion, and it works really well. You don't need to press on the blends. There's no need to press. Oh, I missed one little spot here. And this is the part that will take the longest, but to me, I'm trying to hurry because I'm on screen or on camera, and but it's so relaxing and fun. And I'm sorry if you hear the lawnmower, because I think my husband decided to mow right now. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and speed up the video, and I'm going to continue coloring this, and I'll be back as soon as it's finished colored in. Okay, so I am all finished coloring it in. Isn't that super pretty? This bow is so adorable. It just makes this box. All right, so now I'll need to bring up the big shot, and we will cut that out with our framelit or thinlit. And then we will also cut the, I'm going to cut this, so we're also going to cut the stitched oval. We can do those at the same time here. Get that laid. Oh, got it backwards. Make sure you got it going right, because it fits on there just right. And then I'll grab this and my oval here, and we're going to run these through. So we have our little oval that we're using for our top, and then our bow. Look how cute. All right, so let's go ahead and score the bag and get it all put together. For this one, we are going to score on the 6.5 inch side at 1/2, 2.5. I should have brought my Simply Scored up here for this one. 3.5, it would have been a little bit easier, and 5.5. And then you're going to turn it, and you're going to score it at 3. Or it's 1 inch. It's 1 inch on this side. Okay. So we are going to cut here. I'm going to cut for that. I cut up each one of these bottom. And just cut a little bit out. Those are our bottom flaps. And then we have our little glue tab right here. And that is all we're cutting. So it's going to look like that. So let's sharpen these with our bone folder here. And I'm going to add some tear and tape right here on the glue tab. You can use whatever strong adhesive you have. And then we'll take the backing off, put this box together. If you want to mat it beforehand, you can mat it now, but I'm going to mat it after. So this is going to be our front. So we're going to add our, I'm going to use fast views for this part. And then we're going to mat it. So, oh, I think I didn't tell you, the sizes of this is 1 7/8 by 2 7/8, and you need 2. So I'm just going to use some snell for this. Aren't these little bows cute too? We're going to mat that. Make sure I have it on straight here. Now we're going to do the other one the same. And we are going to, what I did, I just folded this in half. So I didn't really, I just folded it and then used my bone folder to sharpen it. I'll tell you here in a second. If you want to score it, it's like 1 7/8. So you're going to squeeze this top closed. We're going to use a strong adhesive for this because you're going to open and close it. Center that on the back and go a little bit below your score mark. So then I'm going to use these little Velcro fasteners. I got these at Walmart. They're really itty bitty ones and they work great on bags and boxes. So there's one side that has the Velcro and the other side has that like rough side. So I'm just going to stick that here. They're really sticky. I'm going to press that. Press it real firm. And then you can just open and close this with the Velcro. Okay, now we're ready to add our beautiful little bow. I'm going to just add some, this is collecting everything. Add some, not snail, but I'm using the fast fuse. And we're going to set that right on top. Just like that. And that is it. Look how cute that little bow is. I love the bow. And this designer series paper just makes this so adorable. So there they are. If you need any supplies, you can go to my blog at stampingwithamore.com and shop right from my blog. And also, these will all be available September 5th, like I said earlier. So I hope you all enjoyed it. Have a blessed day, and I will catch you in the next one. I'll see you later. Bye.